Hello everyone, my name is SKCian Vinit Jadhav from FYJC Commerce. My topic is watch. Today I am going to tell you three types of watches: wristwatch, wall clock and table clock. Wristwatch. Wristwatch is designed to keep working motion created by the person activity. Wristwatch is designed like a bracelet. It goes with the person wherever he goes, and we can easily see the time in wristwatch. Table clock. Table clock is like a mobile. We can take one place to another and we can set alarm in this clock. Wall clock. Wall clock shows time only to particular area. People are present in a particular area. Nowadays a beautiful designer clock are available in the market and add beauty of a wall. Therefore, three different types of watches are very helpful to seeing time. Thank you.